If I select Google, then we can select this 3.6 plus also there. And if I select Anthropic, then we have this Opus 4.6, 4.7, 4.8 fast, and Opus 5 with Fable 5. So guys, with this we can use this. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Manishwar, watching your tech and coding channel, my Codes. So guys, in previous video I talked about one platform that is providing credits and uses we can use simply to access Opus 5. In this video I will talk about another platform that is providing 200 credits daily basis as a agent to use, and 300 organizational credits. Now I will show you which platform providing this kind of credits to access Opus 5, 4.8 and remaining AI Pro models. So let's directly jump into the demo session, and then we can see how we can create the account and we can use that. So guys, I have already now if I simply search Tasklet, okay, Tasklet.ai, and so guys, I have already tried out signing up with temporary email. So none of them working here because it's able to catch accept the email, but the OTP is not coming at all when I tried. So I think there is an issue with this email part. So at last, I don't have any option to show you how we can access this. So I signed with my Google account, simple. Okay. So I click on sign with Google, and I will show you how much credits you will get. So let me click on account I have, right, and then continue. So once you do this, you will be directly create an organization, and we can invite a team member here. So let's skip for now, and I don't want any product, this email, right? So let's uncheck this. Now guys, we are on the dashboard page for this Tasklet.ai, and if you see here, the main thing is organizational credit. So you will get 300 credits. Now this 300 credits, using this we can create access Opus. As of now we are working on free plan. If you click on advanced option and genius mode, right, genius mode, if you click genius mode, it will be like most costlier model it will pick. But you want a specific model, like you want to use a specific model, then you just click on this, and here they are providing Anthropic and OpenAI and Google, they are providing all their models, right? So let's click on Opus 5 or Fable 5, whatever you want to use. So let's select this Opus 5, and then we are able to create a SaaS SPA for AI AI provider SaaS app like Omni Group. So just let me see how much it will take the credits. As of now we have 300 credits, and we are going to utilize this, and let's wait for this, how much it's going to take for this simple single page SSAP application. So suggested intelligence changes as expert setting, we can select this genius mode, expert mode, recommended. So export mode, let's select this export mode, has which model is going to use, but I don't want to go with expert 4.6 5.6, right? I just want to go with genius mode. But anyway, we are able to select it which model you want to use. If you want to go for genius mode, then genius will cost more, and export means GPT 5.6. But my main agenda is we can access Opus 5 from this platform. That's the most important thing that we want to get from here. As of now, for making and all, we are selecting this GPT 5.6 Sol, but we can select this, but it will take the credits very fast. It will consume all the credit very fast. So let's take it, and we will check how much credit still we have. So if you see agent daily limit, the agent can spend around 4,000 credits per day, and organization credits, it's around 204. Still it's working. Let's wait for this to complete. So it's preparing the app so that we can access it. Sorry, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon for more updates, so that you get more videos at earliest. So here is a Omni Road kind of AI cloud, and it created awesome single page application with all the dashboard. If you see here, to create this, how much cost we have spent. So it was earlier how much, 300. Now we have around 91 credits for organization level, and agent daily limit, so it's a 4,000 credits, right? As of now we have just used 5%. And let's see this particular application. We can just zoom it and we can see full, right? So we can just see it full. If you see here, this is new root, omni root, OpenAI, Anthropic, healthy, degraded, which one is working or not. So if you see provide status updated, cloud zone, so everything is like perfectly here. Omni root AI cloud own SaaS from using this particular model, right? So I asked to create a SaaS for AI provider like Omni root, and it asked and worked on this, and as of now we are using Opus 5. So few credits still left, and I can check that from here, or we can say that yes, right here. So you can see that still 91 credits are left here, and 5% daily usage done today. That's all, guys. If you are facing any issue, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to help you out. And thanks for watching this video, guys.